I will include a slideshow of the process of how I constructed this. This isn't a tutorial. This is just a little slideshow to show you kind of piece by piece how I put this outfit together. Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today I wanted to tell you the inspiration for this piece, and I will be giving this away on Instagram. This Barbie and this outfit will be included in the giveaway. These three pieces will not be in the giveaway, but these two will be. So if you would like to know more about that, please go to my Instagram. I will have that in the description box. So the inspiration behind this comes from my grandmother. So I grew up in the 90s and Barbie was super popular. And my grandmother collected Barbies. She had a room full and pieces like this, books, there's playing cards. These are cards of Barbie, and then on the back it tells you a little bit about her and the year. But these are the only things I kept from her collection. Now, this Barbie is a vintage Barbie from 1996. It's Share a Smile Barbie. And I just like the message behind, like on the back of each box, there's a little message. And I just like the message behind this one. And it comes with necklaces, but you can wear them as bracelets. They're right here. So as I've gotten older, I look back and try to figure out like why certain things happened in my life. And I truly do believe that Barbie inspired me to start making Kandi clothes. I remember playing with them for hours on end, dressing her up, fixing her hair. And I also remember my grandmother taking me to flea markets, and there would be sellers that made Barbie clothing. And I thought that was so cool because it wasn't things that you could get at the store. You had to get there. So it was like one of a kind. And that was a fun memory. But looking back, I definitely think that Barbie kind of fueled that inspiration for clothing. And here we are today. So if you guys want to get in on this giveaway, like I said, go to my Instagram for the details. I hope you enjoyed this little video and like this giveaway. I'll see you guys next time.